Hey guys, there again, welcome to Comtech YT, and today in this video we will see how to build a simple LED circuit on a breadboard. And this time I'm also going to teach you something new, which is how to use an LED RGB in a breadboard. And so yeah, let's see how do we do it. So first we enter the Tinkercad dashboard and create a circuit, and this I have said something like 100 times. So this is a common dialog which I even used in my previous videos, so I think I gotta change this too. Yeah, and so this leads us to the Tinkercad workspace, and so as usual we got all our components on the right hand side. So now we'll get our breadboard out. It's the most common thing for us for now, because we're gonna build all our circuits in the breadboard now. Okay, I'll get a 9-volt battery or a power source. Okay, now LED out. First I'll demonstrate you the easy one, and then I'll go for the RGB. Okay, right here. Okay, I'll take the green color one this time. Okay, even take a resistor. I'll place it here, because whenever you use a 9-volt battery, you got to make sure that you use a resistor, because of the high voltage there are many chances for the LED to get bursted. Yeah. Okay, and then we connect the positive to the positive of the breadboard, and this is going to be red because red denotes a positive, and then negative 2 we get it here. Okay, and this is going to be black because black denotes negative. Okay, and so this is the cathode side. Okay, so we use negative because the cathode side, and black denotes negative. So here this is also going to be black because it's connected with the cathode side of the LED. Yeah, and then finally use the positive terminal for the anode. So again going to be red, and then connect the anode. This wire just again going to be red. So now let's start simulation. And so LED is working properly indeed. And now the new thing which we're going to learn today is how to use LED RGB on a breadboard. So it's going to be quite interesting. So let's see. I'll delete all my programs except the breadboard. Yeah, okay. And this too. Okay, now what you're going to do is we'll just get a LED RGB out. So LED RGB, light emitting diode, red, green and blue. So we'll place it right here. So the main advantage in LED RGB is that we can combine two colors and see what type of color is created. So that's quite interesting, by the way. So we'll take a 9-volt battery out, then we'll tilt it to this axis, and then we'll connect the positive to the positive, which is going to be red, and then negative to the negative, it's going to be black. Okay, now for this too we're going to use resistor, and because of the night voltage there are many chances for the LED RGB to get bursted too. And so this is the cathode side, so I'm going to take black. Anyways, there is only one terminal for an LED RGB, which is the cathode side, so never mind of the colors. Okay, place this here, just black, and then I'm just going to get the positive side too here, which is going to be red. My connections are kind of quite here and there, kind of quite congested. With the blue, which is again going to be red, we're going to combine blue and green now. So this is also going to be red. Yeah, okay, now let's start simulation. Okay, the color form is kind of quite, I don't know, I think it's like light blue. Okay, actually I described all this color in my previous video, that's creating circuits using LED RGB. Yeah, okay, so yeah, now I think you guys got to know how to use an LED RGB in a breadboard. So yeah, that's it for today guys, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. See you in the next video. Bye for now.